Hello everyone, let's move towards another activity. For this one I'm taking this red sheet of the paper and then I'm folding it and creating different creases out of it. This one is just the pattern sheet of the paper, actually just inspired from the glitter type of the look. Your work can also be performed on the simple colorful sheet of the paper. You can make this type of the thing using the old newspaper. The choice is all yours. I'm here making use of this red sheet of the paper because I have this red pattern sheet of the paper and I want to utilize it and beautify my work. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. If I will talk about the difficulty level of this type of the activity, then this one is little bit difficult. It's little bit time consuming because you just have to open the folds, you just have to create the creases so that you can make it perfectly. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12. They can definitely go for this one. Just pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner. You don't have to skip any particular step. If one step is just skipped, your whole activity is ruined. So you just have to remain focused. Your all focus should be on making this one. Just try to make it once or twice so that you will become pro in making such type of the paper origami things. This one is obviously time consuming. It may require your patience, your time, but it's worth investing because it's going to turn into something more beautiful and you will fall in love with it. This type of the activity is time consuming, but it may drill your brain. It is so interesting and so nice. See, now I am opening the each layer and this one looks good. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this pink sheet of the paper and I'm folding it, then using the scissors I'm making the petals out of it. One of the petals is to be trimmed. After that you just have to fix the rest of the petals using the glue. You just have to repeat it for the another flower and then it's time to make some of the tassels out of this yellow sheet of the paper. Roll it over this stalk and then fix it at the proper position using the glue stick. Once you are done with it, just place it over the hole that we have created. This is so good and easy, best suited for the small kids. Don't forget to add the leaves also. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this blue sheet of the paper and then see how I'm folding it and creating some of the creases out of it. This type of the activity is very simple and very easy. The folds and the creases are to be created as shown on your screens. Once you're done with it, you just have to reopen it and just check how we have created these folds and the creases one after the other. This thing is to be done, then just fold and open this sheet of the paper because the creases are to be created in a proper way. These are somewhat in a zigzag manner. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. If I will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is medium difficult. Now you just have to fix all these shapes together and then open it and you can decorate it anywhere. You can even play with it. Thank you.